Given the limited armor on most targets, the effectiveness of small warheads in incapacitating systems cannot be overstated. This cost-efficient approach involves the deployment of a single grenade by drones, not necessarily aimed at outright destruction, but strategically damaging the target enough to render it inoperative. Post-impact, the system typically requires withdrawal for repairs, a time-consuming process spanning weeks or even months, with no assurance of full recovery. Similar to weapon systems, the Achilles heel lies in the reliance on ammunition, a factor requiring minimal input to set off a chain reaction. This vulnerability becomes apparent when a lone small grenade initiates the ignition of ammunition and a supply truck, resulting in the destruction of additional resources with minimal exertion.